This is Mrs. Statler, your STEM teacher. Today's lesson, how to calculate area, volume, and surface area. Step 1. Open your journal pages and your calculator. I always like to start by opening up both items that I want to have opened on the screen at the same time. So right now, it's taking me a minute, but I'm going to go find the measuring intro, the calculation intro pages that I just put into my STEM journal. And I am also going to go open up the calculator. Then I can open them up at the same time. To have two items open at the same time, swipe up and then click and drag on the second item that you want to have open, like I just did with the calculator app. Now you can see I have a split screen with my measure intro pages and the calculator on the right side. To show your work while you calculate area, select the plus sign and then select drawing. You can use your finger or a stylus to show how to calculate the area. Remember, the area for each face is going to be the length times the width. Now add the area calculation that you performed into your data table for each face. To calculate the volume, you'll just multiply the length times the width times the height. You can watch as I draw to put a multiplication sign between the length, width, and height on the cube data table. Now you're going to copy and paste your data table on the second page of the measurement intro. Go up to the data table, select it by touching it. You can select copy if you tap it, then go down to the box on the second page, delete it, and paste. Move your data table into the spot where that box once existed. So to calculate the surface area of the entire cube, you're going to start by hitting the plus sign because you need to show your work. Start by writing down the equation to calculate the surface area for a rectangular prism. Surface area is equal to 2 times the area of the first face, plus 2 times the area of the second face, plus 2 times the area of the third face. Plug the measurements into each of the area. Surface area equals 2 times, in my case, 342, plus 2 times 95, plus 2 times 90. Watch as I perform this calculation. Notice that I put it in parentheses. That's because I need to multiply before I can add each of those things. I think it's important to really go step by step when you do an equation like this. Notice that I'm rewriting the equation and I'm going to pull up the calculator again. And I'm going to multiply the items inside the parentheses. So 342 times 2 is 684 centimeters squared, plus 2 times 95, which is 190 centimeters squared, plus 2 times 90, which was 180 centimeters squared. And so the final total is, for my rectangular prism, 1,054 centimeters squared. Don't forget to put that information into the data table that's provided. To submit this major grade, take a screenshot of each page and submit both screenshots. Don't forget to ask questions. Thanks, everybody.